WooCommerce Dropshipping Marketplace Integrator Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to this review of WooCommerce Dropshipping Marketplace Integrators. Links to the tools and resources mentioned are included in the description below for your convenience. Let's get straight into it. WooCommerce, being one of the most popular e-commerce platforms, offers incredible flexibility, especially for dropshipping. Marketplace integrators such as AliDropship, Spocket, and Syncsi are essential tools that connect your WooCommerce store with various supplier networks, streamlining product sourcing, inventory management, and order fulfillment. These integrators allow you to import products from top marketplaces like AliExpress, Spocket's supplier network, and even wholesalers directly into your WooCommerce store. The key features of these tools include automated order fulfillment, real-time inventory updates, and advanced product filtering. Many also offer e-packet shipping filters, supplier vetting options, and branded invoicing to help you maintain a professional image. For example, Spocket is ideal for sourcing products from US and European suppliers, offering faster shipping options. AliDropship, on the other hand, focuses on AliExpress integration, providing access to millions of budget-friendly products. Syncsi goes a step further, offering global B2B suppliers and high-quality product options for premium dropshipping. Who is this integration best for? WooCommerce Dropshipping Marketplace Integrators are perfect for entrepreneurs looking to scale their businesses while maintaining full control over their operations. WooCommerce's open-source nature makes it highly customizable, and these integrators help automate time-consuming tasks, allowing you to focus on marketing and sales. Now, let's talk strengths. These tools save time by automating repetitive processes, and they offer access to a massive range of products, from budget-friendly items to premium goods. They also allow for greater customization of your store, letting you build a unique brand. Additionally, WooCommerce is cost-effective compared to platforms like Shopify, especially for those managing large inventories. However, there are weaknesses to consider. Setting up and maintaining a WooCommerce store requires some technical knowledge, and integrating multiple tools can add complexity. Long shipping times from platforms like AliExpress and inconsistent supplier quality can also pose challenges, so supplier vetting is crucial. In conclusion, WooCommerce Dropshipping Marketplace Integrators offer a powerful way to streamline and grow your dropshipping business. They're versatile, effective, and essential for serious entrepreneurs. Check the description for links to the best tools to get started.